Hi, welcome to the part 2 of the Chalk Ridge Falls Park video. If you haven't seen part 1, make sure you go back and don't miss out on the intro for this amazing park. In my last video, I left you at the stairs of the wooden bridge, and I told you that there was a trail to the left and a trail to the right. This video covers the path to the right, which is the shortest one of both, and it takes you to a beautiful part of the creek with amazing views. This trail is very short, probably about 200 yards at the most. The few times that I have been here, I had a chance to run into some deer, squirrels, and once I ran into a snake. Fishing is very good here given the small size of the creek, but you might want to check out the left trail if you want to see the suspension bridge and the waterfall. Not to mention the better fishing since the water is deeper in the other part of the creek. Thanks for watching, and check out my next video for the big finale where I show you the waterfall and the suspension bridge. For now, enjoy the sounds of nature. Don't forget to subscribe. Thanks.